It's quick to get started with Grails. A single command will create a new project. From that, or any other project, you can use the interactive console, which provides command completion and fast command execution. For a database-backed web application, use the create domain class command to start your domain model. It's easy to then modify the generated classes to add persistent data, relationships between domain entities, and validation constraints. Notice how there's no SQL in sight. Once you have a domain model, it's trivial to add a basic web UI for it. Just create scaffold controllers for each of your domain classes, and then run the application. Grails comes with an embedded servlet container to host your application, and subsequent server restarts in the interactive console are fast. You get a simple homepage for free with direct access to all of your controllers. From here you can see the full CRUD user interface generated for the book and author domain entities. It allows you to view, create, edit and delete domain instances stored in the configured database, and in memory H2 one by default. With the application running, you can easily add or modify pages on the fly. Simply modify the controller code or a view, and then refresh the browser. The URL is determined by convention. Working with XML and JSON is easy too. For a REST API, just use Grails' converters and return the format the client wants. This works with HTTP accept headers and a special format URL parameter. The plugin system provides a powerful mechanism to enhance your application cheaply. For example, adding full-text search only requires the Searchable plugin. With some sample data set up on server startup, all you need to do is add a special property to the domain classes you want to search. This simple configuration will index the title property of book and the name property of author. It even ensures that search hits on authors return just the books. This plugin provides a simple search page out of the box that integrates with the scaffolding, and that can be overridden easily. Once you've developed your application, you need somewhere to host it. What about in the cloud? With a Cloud Foundry account and the corresponding plugin, it's trivial to publish your app. Start by configuring your credentials and where you want to deploy it, and you can then query the cloud, for example by asking what applications are already published to your account. This application isn't there yet, but it soon will be. It just takes a single command to package and publish your application to Cloud Foundry. Don't forget to bind a database if your application requires one. A short while later, and you're able to access your deployed application via a browser. What could be simpler? This was just a taster of what Grails has to offer. Find out more on our website.